Hello everybody, this is another Hot Wheels collector video and today I've got a little bit of a different one for you guys. This is the Volvo 240 Drift Camper. Very interesting car. This thing really did tickle my fancy because it's a car towing a camper van. I don't think we've ever seen this from Hot Wheels before in the past, and this thing just looks so cool in my opinion. I love the colours on this thing. I just love everything about it. I think it looks really cool. This thing comes from the 2024 Track Fleet series of Hot Wheels, a brand new series which is the successor of the Track Star Hauler series, which came before it. This new rebranded Track Fleet series, I believe, is going to be introducing some licensed castings as well as some fantasies. So it's kind of like a little rebrand, which is hoping, I believe at least, to bring some adult collectors into purchasing these. And it definitely has done that with myself. This thing just looks so cool. I love this thing. I think it looks great. I'm interested to see what this thing offers. Can we remove this trailer from the car, or are they kind of attached permanently? I'll be interested to see what you can do there. I have no idea myself. I have not opened this up yet, as you can see, and yeah, we're going to take a look at this together for our first impressions. As you can see here is the list of all of the vehicles which do feature in this mix of the Track Fleet series. This is mix 2 for 2024 of the Track Fleet series, and in it we've got the Rad Rider Rig, which is a fantasy. We've got the Volvo 240 Drift Camper, which is licensed, the Semi Roger Dodger, which is a fantasy, the Speed Hauler, which is a fantasy, the Fuel and Fire, which is a fantasy, and the Optimus Prime, which of course is from the Transformers movie and is technically licensed. I know that this Optimus Prime hauler is super popular. Everybody wants it. It's being scalped and scalped again. They are selling for a lot on eBay, which is crazy. It wasn't one which I was after, if I'm totally honest, and I'm pleased I wasn't because there was absolutely none of them left at the store I went to. It was a Smyth's Toys Superstore, and these things were being sold for £9.99. Quite an expensive price, but if I'm totally honest, I thought the Volvo 240 Drift Camper was worth it. That is why I picked this thing up. But yeah, I can't wait to open this thing up, so let's not waste any more time, and let's jump straight into this. So here is the unboxed vehicle. As you can see, it looks super cool. Very cool one. Let's take a look at the trailer first. So you only get side tamper work on this thing. It's very nicely detailed though, as you can see. We've got some windows here. We've got the Hot Wheels logo there too. We've got some vents tampered on here. We've got some lovely striping, which I like the look of a lot. Like the colours there. Definitely does fit with the colour scheme this thing does have. We've got this two-tone plastic design. On the bottom we've got this dark blue, and on the top we have this lovely white plastic. It's rolling on these steely wheels, which have been done in black with a grey lip to them. There's no front tamper work on the trailer. Got some nice details in the plastic on the rear, as you can see here, including what I believe to be some more windows and a spoiler, and I believe it's rear lights here as well, but no tamper work there either. On the top, we've got this nice little hatch, got some luggage up here, looks really cool, definitely ready for an adventure. We've got this nice spoiler as well. Flip it round so you can see this side. Got a door here in the plastic, but the rest seems to be the same. Oh, we've also got a window here too in the plastic. I believe that's a window as well. That's not on this side, as you can see there. But yeah, very cool. Nicely detailed. Looks great. Very cool trailer there indeed. On the base, we've got a black metal base on this one, painted in glossy black, as you can see there. Two wheels on this thing. Nicely riveted there, as you can see. On the base, if I flip this round, it tells you that this is the Volvo 240 Drift Camper, made in Malaysia, and it is a brand new casting for this year, as you can see there as well. So that's cool. Moving forward, as you can see, it's connected to the Volvo 240 Drift car. And here is a little update on the trailer separation scenario. Apparently, you can actually take the trailer off of this thing, but I have been trying for some time now and I cannot get them to separate. It seems to be quite a hard task to do, but apparently they do separate. But it does feel like I'm going to break it when I've been trying to separate them. You do have to pull very hard, and even when I have been pulling very hard, they still will not separate from each other. I don't want to break this because it was quite expensive. So yeah, you're just going to have to take that word for it that they do separate. Apparently, I have no proof of that, but apparently they do separate, which is very, very cool. This is a new casting as well, technically. It's slightly altered from the original one so that the trailer can attach to it. Very, very cool. Got the steelies on this one as well in black with a grey lip to them. It's painted in a glossy blue colour, pretty much the same colour as this here on the trailer, created by plastic. Very nice colour scheme there indeed. Got side tamper work on this one. Got a nice stripe, the Volvo writing. And we've got the door handle and door lock all done in black. Looks super good from the side. Yellow window tint on that. Got wing mirrors, great to see. Got this nice wide body in the casting. Got the side skirt created by the black base plastic. We've got the side exit exhaust created by the chrome interior plastic. Got some nice very race-like side windows on this one as well, with a little hatch on them which can be opened. Really, really cool. Definitely does look like a proper track car, proper drift car. Looks great. Just take a look at that. Wow. We've got no front tamper work on this one, as you can see here, but we've got the front grille being created by the chrome interior plastic, as well as the front headlights being created by the window plastic, which is tinted yellow. We've got the lower portion of this car's front bumper created by the black base plastic. In that, we've got the license plate holder, as well as, I believe, some fog lights there as well, and some other small details like a tow hook as well, I believe. But yeah, that looks great. We'll take a look at the top as well here. Got a nice spoiler in the metal casting, as well as what I believe to be some roof bars in the metal casting. Looks super cool. I believe this is meant to be like a sun visor or something here in the metal casting too. Got some vents there on the hood too. The whole hood has been tampered with this carbon fiber effect, which looks really, really cool. You can see we've got a cutout in the hood as well, in the casting, leading through to the chrome interior plastic. And we do have a nice, what I believe to be, intake here as well in that cutout, created by that interior plastic there. Very nicely modelled, looks very, very cool. Once again, making this thing look very modified and track ready. Let's flip this thing around and take a look at the next side. As you can see, it's the same as the previous. Very nicely detailed there indeed. We do have our side markers on this one as well, or indicator lights in the metal casting too. Just noticed that. On the rear, you've got the rear lights there. No tamper work on the rear or up here. We do have some on the hood, but yeah, nothing on the actual top of the car and nothing on the rear. We've also got the license plate holder portion on the rear of this thing as well, created by the black plastic base of this thing. That is also holding this thing together as well, I do believe. It's kind of like a little clip, preventing this thing from opening up when the trailer is attached to it and pulling on it. So yeah, very, very cool. And there's that spoiler from the rear as well in the metal casting. Looks super, super cool. Just take a look at that. Wow. Looks so good. Very impressed. Very well designed. Feels very high quality. It's not very light. It's quite heavy actually. Feels durable. Doesn't feel like it's going to be easily broken. Looks fantastic. What a piece. Just take a look at that. Let me lower the camera so you can see that and we'll focus in on the drift car there. Look at that. What a fantastic vehicle. Let's get some zoom there as well. What a vehicle. Wow. This is absolutely great. Honestly, I'm thrilled with this one. It just looks so good. It looks even better out of the package. What is my verdict on this one then? I think this is an absolute must buy. This thing is just awesome. It might even be better than a regular mainline. In fact, I'm going to say it, I prefer this over a regular mainline. It's something new, it's something exciting, and it's something very unique and cool. Everything here is very well detailed, the castings are very nice, the colour scheme is very nice, and overall I've got no complaints. What a cool little thing. Absolutely fantastic. Overall, I could not have been happier. This is really, really cool. It surprised me at how good this is. Very, very nice model from the Hot Wheels team. I'm very happy to have this one in my collection. And yeah, that's really it for this one. I highly recommend you pick this one up. Let me know what you guys think of this set. Do you guys like the track fleet stuff? Have you seen it yet? Are you going to buy this thing? What are your first thoughts on this after I've shown you it? Let me know all of that in the comments down below. I will be reading and replying to all of your comments, so please do leave your thoughts down there. And yeah, I can't wait to hear from you guys. But yeah, that's really it for this video. As I say, great model. I highly recommend it. And yeah, so if you guys did enjoy, make sure to like. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. You watching this video all the way to the end means so much to me, and I really do thank you for making it all the way up until this point. But anyways, that is really it for this video. So I hope you guys did enjoy, and I really do hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye bye everyone. Take care.